In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Manus AI account. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know how to get started on this platform with ease. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Manus AI website. Simply open your web browser and type in manus.im to get started on your journey. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Started button. It's usually prominently displayed, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Give it a click, and you'll be on your way to creating your account. If you don't yet have an account, don't worry. Manus AI has a process in place for new users. You will see a helpful Request Access button. Go ahead and click that to proceed. This is an important step as it indicates that you're ready to start your journey with Manus AI. The next step involves filling out a form, which is quite straightforward. You'll need to provide your email address, mention your profession, and offer a brief explanation of how you plan to use Manus AI. This information is necessary to ensure that the platform is suited to your needs and can provide you with the best experience. Once you've filled out all the required fields, it's time to hit the Submit button. After submitting your request, you'll have to be a little patient as you wait for a response via email. This might take some time, so keep an eye on your inbox for any updates. Upon receiving approval, you'll get an email from Manus AI. Open it and follow the instructions provided. The email might include clicking a specific button or using an activation code. These details are crucial as they will grant you access to the platform. Now that you're approved, make your way back to the Manus AI website. Click that Get Started button again, as you'll now have the green light to create your account. This step is essential to progressing towards a personalized experience on the platform. Finally, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to sign in. Use the email you provided earlier, and be sure to carefully read and accept the terms and conditions. This is the last step before you can start exploring everything Manus AI has to offer. And that's it. You've successfully created your Manus AI account. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your experience with Manus AI. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. Have a great day.